Are you ready to step into the incredible power and privilege that is rightfully yours? Today, we dive deep into a profound truth from Romans 8:16-17. This isn't just a verse, it's your spiritual birthright. Prepare to discover who you truly are in God's eyes. Imagine a royal heir, born into immense privilege and access. They don't earn their position, it's their birthright. This powerful analogy helps us grasp our identity in Christ. An heir succeeds another, entitled to all rights and possessions. As children of God, the Spirit Himself testifies with our spirit that we are His. This means you are not a commoner or a slave to fear. You have received the spirit of adoption, crying out, "Abba, Father." Being a son or daughter of God makes you a joint heir with Christ. This grants you the highest privilege of sonship. God sees you as He sees His beloved Son, Jesus. Therefore, you possess all the power, rights, and privileges that Jesus has. This incredible truth means you have direct access to God the Father. You can call on Him anytime, and He will answer. You are empowered to do all that Jesus did on earth, and even more. My dear child, being a joint heir with Christ implies you can perform miracles and cast out demons. You are called to walk in divine authority, not in weakness or fear. This is your inheritance, a gift from your loving Father. However, to maintain this profound privilege, stay holy. Sin can rob you of your authority in Christ, hindering your access and power. Live a life that honors your divine lineage. Are you exercising your authority like Jesus, or are you behaving like a servant? It's time to embrace your true identity. You are an heir of God, a joint heir with Christ, destined for glory. Don't let doubt or fear hold you back. Step into the fullness of your inheritance today. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more empowering devotionals, and let us know in the comments how this truth has transformed your life. This was put together by Dr. Prince Emmanuel Benson, a.k.a. AMOG. For more devotional messages, click on the link on my bio